The engine is often described as the heart of any machine, but what keeps that heart beating smoothly is the fuel injection pump. Without it, fuel delivery won't be precise, combustion won't be clean, and the entire system suffers. That's why it's critical to use a pump that's not only compatible but also engineered to meet the demands of the engine. The 3,931,600, also known as the 393-1600 fuel injection pump, is a part designed to match the performance requirements of Cummins Vector X2 and X4 Ultra engines. These engines are known for powering heavy-duty machines and equipment that operate under constant stress, so every component that feeds them fuel has to be precise, durable, and reliable. A fuel injection pump isn't just another piece of hardware, it's a system that manages when, how much, and at what pressure fuel enters the combustion chamber. Every millisecond matters. If the timing is off, or if the fuel atomization isn't correct, performance immediately drops. Poor injection leads to rough idling, sluggish acceleration, and even excessive exhaust smoke. Worse, it can create long-term engine damage. That's why a quality pump like this one is more than just a part, it's a safeguard for the entire power system. When an engine like the Cummins Vector series is in operation, it's usually not for light tasks. These engines power machines that haul, lift, push, and endure hours of non-stop work. A pump that fails in the middle of this workload doesn't just cause downtime, it translates to real financial losses. Installing a properly engineered fuel pump ensures that every ignition cycle is efficient, delivering power consistently and keeping the machine in service instead of in the repair bay. The 3,931,600 fuel injection pump is engineered for exact compatibility with the Cummins Vector X2 and X4 Ultra models. This isn't a generic pump that might fit but requires adjustments or compromises. It's designed with the tolerances, flow rates, and pressure control needed to match the specifications of these engines. That compatibility means better integration, less risk of misalignment, and a system that operates as smoothly as the day the engine was manufactured. One of the most underrated benefits of a high-quality fuel injection pump is efficiency. A reliable pump improves combustion quality, which directly affects how much fuel is consumed. With the cost of diesel always fluctuating, getting maximum performance from every drop is essential. The pump also helps reduce soot and smoke emissions, making it better for compliance with emission standards and cleaner operation overall. Durability is another major highlight. Fuel injection pumps have to handle extreme operating pressures, often thousands of psi, without losing precision. The 3,931,600 is built for that. Materials, machining tolerances, and sealing methods are all designed to withstand heat, pressure, and long hours of operation. Instead of worrying about premature failure, operators can trust this pump to deliver consistent performance over years of use. Replacing a failing pump might seem like an expense, but in reality, it's a cost-saving move. An engine running on a weak or faulty pump wastes fuel, struggles to produce power, and wears out faster. Symptoms like hard starting, decreased acceleration, inconsistent idling, and excessive fuel consumption are all red flags that the pump needs replacement. Acting early with a pump like the 3,931,600 prevents bigger problems down the road. Once installed, the difference is noticeable. Engines fire up faster, run smoother, and deliver power more consistently. Loads feel easier to move, responsiveness improves, and black smoke issues often disappear. It's not just a minor upgrade, it's the type of replacement that revitalizes the performance of the entire system. It's also important to point out that the market is full of imitations. Many low-cost alternatives are visually identical but fail to meet the strict precision required for injection systems. Using a poor quality pump can actually cost more in the long run because it can damage injectors, increase wear on the engine, and fail prematurely. The 3,931,600 is manufactured to meet the requirements of Cummins engines, which means peace of mind knowing it's engineered to work under the toughest conditions. The pump is not typically something casual owners install by themselves. High-pressure diesel systems require specialized knowledge and tools to ensure safety and proper calibration. A professional installation guarantees that the pump operates at peak performance and that the engine receives fuel delivery at exactly the right